ICP has already met the target which we have been talking about for quite some time now in the channel, exactly as we have predicted. So in today's video, I'll be discussing my current expectations and the levels to look out for. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the daily time frame charts. So again, if you guys remembered in my previous video, we have talked about this many times in the channel that if we do see ICP have a daily candle close just above the swing high wick, then we could see ICP continue to move towards our next target, which is the next resistance at 15.5 US dollars. And if we do move into the 1 hourly time frame, you guys can see that we have touched this exact target which we have marked in the channel, again exactly as predicted. So we have missed it by a few cents, but it doesn't matter, we still have reached the target. So what am I expecting right now? Because right now, as you guys can see, we're having some sort of pullback. Of course, this is to be expected because like I've said, 15.5 US dollars is a resistance level, so a pullback is of course to be expected. So right now, what should you guys be looking out for this price action we're having right now? Sorry if I sound weird because I'm having colds right now, but again, please bear with me. But it looks like we're being rejected. We got rejected and now we have a pullback. So essentially the level to look out for is just the swing high wick, guys. Just look out for the swing high wick because right now we have broken out of it. So it was previous resistance. It's now flipped to support. So if we do see, let's say ICP have a pullback even further to the downside, then we could expect the swing high wick at around 11.9 US dollars to support the price if we do dump to this level in the future. And once we do dump to this level, again, like I've said, we could see a bounce from here because this will support the price. Now, if we're talking about my current expectations or my price predictions, then yeah, these are my current expectations. First, let's talk about the bullish case. And the bullish case is if we do see Internet Computer ICP in the coming weeks have a break above resistance at 15.5 US dollars and flip that to support, then this is going to be very, very bullish, because if we do break out of that resistance level, then potentially we could see a retest first before moving towards the next target. And the next target is at around 31.8 US dollars. So that's about a 100% pump. So that's another massive move if we do see ICP in the coming weeks have a break above resistance and flip it to support. And that's at around $15.4. If we do flip $15.4 as support, then the next target we're looking to is $31.8. So that is the bullish news. Now for the bearish case is we could see ICP, of course, have some bearish price action in the coming weeks, because again, 15.5 or 15.4 US dollars is acting as strong resistance for the ICP price. So maybe in the coming days or weeks, we may see ICP have another try to break above it or to test the level, and we may see another rejection from there. So we may move back towards the swing high wick at 11.9 US dollars. And if we do see ICP break below the swing high wick, we could move down towards the swing high close at $10.4. So just be aware of the bullish case and the bearish case. The bullish case is if we do see ICP break above resistance at $15.5 and flip that to support, we're looking at another target, or at the next target, which is at 31.6 US dollars. But if you're asking for my current view in the market in the long term, I believe that the market sentiment is now undergoing a change and we're now flipping bullish, entering into 2024, where everything is of course starting to flip bullish. We have the Bitcoin ETF, we have big institutions trying to get involved in the market. Then we can definitely see ICP have some bullish price action in Q1 to Q2 of course 2024, and this can go on until the end of 2024. It really depends, but for now If we're talking about the long-term price action for ICP, I'm expecting ICP to go higher. Again, we just have to meet the confirmation, and the confirmation, if we do see ICP flip resistance to support, flip $15.5 to support, then we can move towards our next target at 31.4 US dollars. But for now, just be warned, like I've said, we're currently facing resistance at $15.5, so we may struggle to break above this. But if we do, that's going to be very, very bullish. But if we're struggling to break above this, then you guys already know the targets or the levels to look out for if we do ever have a pullback or a retracement. Again, the levels is on the swing high wick at $11.9 and the swing high close at $10.5. So those are the two support levels to look out for at the moment if we do see a deeper pullback. But hopefully we'll see ICP have a break above resistance at $15.5, so we can proceed towards the next target at 31.7 or 31.5 US dollars, generally in the $31 range. But again, in the 4-hourly time frame RSI, we're kind of overbought. We have made a warning about this yesterday. I have said that be warned, we are overbought in the RSI, so we could see a pullback potentially, and now we have seen it happen. So that is the quick update I have for Internet Computer ICP. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like, subscribe, and all of my links are in the description.